G'day, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. I'm pretty excited to be drawing this, a Stegosaurus dinosaur. I used to love them when I was a kid with the spikes on the back and the whippy tail to defend itself. I hope that you can follow along and have some fun as we draw a Stegosaurus. Let's draw. Let's have a look at how we can construct this Stegosaurus to make it easier. I'm starting with an oval shape for the body. The tail is going to come out here. The spikes are all going to sort of sit within. They get smaller as they go down, so I'm just going to draw the spiky. That's like a guideline. These are construction lines. Now remember to draw nice and light so that these can be rubbed out. So this is the head, and I know that the head sits in here. That curve, I'm going to simplify it down, and then it joins onto the body, and it comes into this foot. So there's the foot. Now this leg comes down and then sits into there, comes back in and up, so it almost touches the mouth. So we might bring that around a little bit more. This leg starts here and almost comes straight down and touches the back of that one, and then has a little bit of that. And then there's another little foot in behind there that you see a little bit of. Let's start the Stegosaurus with the face or the head. So I'm going to bring my neck and the chin out, and it bumps like that a little bit. Then we're going to bring a line coming in and bring it down. That's like the top. That's the jaw, bottom jaw. Now let's draw the top jaw. Almost straight back, curve it around like so. Keep coming around until you hit that part of the leg. Now we're going to put the eye in. So the eye is a shape like this first, almost like a sideways teardrop. Put another shape in, and I'd use a thinner pen for the rest of that. We're going to put the nostril in. I might just use this one, just really small, and I can put a white dot in afterwards. Now I'm going to put a line here at the back of the head. This is some just to sort of map out where there's some different color changes. We've got some lines coming this way. Now the neck, I'm going to put a line coming down like that. Now the neck sort of, because he's twisted, we've got to put some lines in there. These are called contour lines to show that it's rounded. Now we've got some little spikes on the back here, 1, 2. Now what I'm going to draw is the back, bump, curve, and then it's pretty much comes around to about here. And then we have one of his really big spikes coming off his tail. 1, 2, and then another one there. And a longer one down the back there. Now Stegosauruses are pretty cool because they've got some pretty good defense there with their big spikes on their backs and their tail that they can whip around. Let's draw this little part here, a little bit of a fold, another little bit of a fold, turning into the back leg. So bumps out, comes in, and then down, and then a little bit like this. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. Then come back, curve it in, bring it out for the knee, bring it back in, and then pretty much straight up. Belly, part of the back leg that's hiding in behind. And you'll see one of the little toes here, and the back of the foot comes up, so the other foot's behind that one. Looks a bit funny, but when I colour it in, we'll have a look at that one. And then the front foot, 1, 2, 3, and then this comes pretty much straight up, curves in, and then curves up like that. Then we have this one curving around, this follows it, and then this puffs out a bit and comes in like that. and then this bit kicks across, bump, and then into this foot. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1. These lines that sort of go around it to hold the toenails. We have a bump in there, bump, and then another one there. And we probably have some little knee lines as well, like this. Let's put some little knee lines on. Now for the cool bit, the spikes. 1, 2, 3. They're almost like rounded diamonds. That's how I remember them as a kid anyway. Like, almost like teeth coming off their fancy looking teeth, and then these start to get really big. And they get a bit more irregular once they get up and around here. And let's keep some of these gaps between. There we have a Stegosaurus ready for colouring in. Guys, I hope you had a great time drawing the Stegosaurus. If you did, give me a thumbs up and check out some of these other dinosaur drawings. Remember, the more you draw, the better you're going to get. Until next time, thanks again. See ya. Bye. Cheers.